In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana monitoring remote employees. When your team is distributed, the goal isn't surveillance, it's clarity. Asana gives you a transparent way to organize work, see progress, and keep conversations tied to the tasks they're about, so you can support people without micromanaging. Start by structuring and organizing your projects. Create a project for each initiative and break the work into specific, actionable tasks. Every task needs a single clear owner and a realistic due date, so accountability never gets fuzzy. Keep tasks small and outcome focused, and use the task description to capture what success looks like. If there are files or references, attach them to the task so no one has to dig through chats or email to find context. Next, track progress and communication inside Asana. Use sections or statuses to reflect your workflow, like to do, in progress, and done, and move tasks as the work advances. Ask your team to post updates, questions, and decisions in the task's comment thread. That way, the full history stays with the work. Use mentions to loop in stakeholders and add screenshots or documents right there. Keeping everything in one place reduces confusion and makes handoffs smooth across time zones. Then, establish weekly priorities. Have each team member document their top priorities for the week in a shared Asana project or a single rolling task. Keep it short and focus on outcomes. Review these in a brief weekly stand-up so everyone knows what matters most and where help is needed. Encourage people to flag blockers and update due dates if plans shift. The point is alignment and clarity, not creating extra paperwork. If you're on Asana's business plan, leverage the workload feature to visualize capacity. Set each person's weekly capacity and add effort estimates to tasks so the chart reflects reality. With that in place, you can quickly spot who's over capacity and who has room, then rebalance before deadlines slip. This makes resource decisions fair and data-driven, especially important when you can't see who looks busy in an office. Finally, use advanced search to surface exactly what you need. Build saved searches for things like all tasks assigned to a person, work due this week, or items completed in a project this month. Save these as reports and reuse them for one-on-ones, status reviews, and planning. It becomes a lightweight dashboard you can trust. Keep your workspace clean by closing tasks promptly, updating dates, and avoiding duplicates. With these habits, Asana becomes your remote team's single source of truth, helping you monitor progress transparently and support people to do their best work.